Hey everybody, I'm back. I got another unboxing to do. Today we're going to do a weather station. I've got ink all over my hands. Okay, well that happened. But today we have, I'm walking over to you right now. I don't care, I'm grabbing stuff. Okay, so today we have a weather station that I bought off of Amazon on Monday. And this guy is pretty cool, like 90 bucks on Amazon. But for enough of me talking, let's get this box opened. That'll work. There it is. Make sure this is still on camera. Okay. Okay. Well, that's a box within a box. You can tell on the box it says All-in-One Professional Weather Center. So let's get this guy open. Wow, there's a lot of boxes. Cardboard. Woo! Look at this guy. Oh man, it fits so perfectly in here. And there she glows. Wow, that thing's huge. Well, let's get this thing opened up. So I did have I had a other weather station. It's over in the corner right now, but it's old. It's like 4 years old. Oh, this is, by the way, this is the instruction manual. But anyway, I've had that one for a long time, 4 years, and also the thermometer sensor was kind of going out, and just things were not right with it anymore. So when I bought this guy, man, this thing's huge, guys. It doesn't look big probably on camera, but this is big. This is huge. I'm gonna actually take open the console. Take open, take out, whatever. There we go. Man, this is slick looking. Nice. Okay, so there's your compartment. Oh, these, this also has a plug in it. Which means you can plug it in. The adapter's somewhere in here somewhere. Oh, well, actually, I think it's right here. Yeah, here's the adapter. And then the kickstand that goes with it. I got no clue. Oh, I think it goes in like this. Yeah, it does. Wow, very nice. Okay. But yeah, here's the adapter. Nice and small, just as I hoped. In fact, I'm going to plug it in right here under my desk real quick. Don't worry. We're getting to the fun parts of the whole unboxing. What do we do? Look at there. Okay. Let's plug this guy in real quick. Fish it under here so it'll go on the wall above my desk. Okay. So now we got the console out and whatnot. Still can't believe how huge this thing is. So nice to take. Oh. We're gonna take out the all-in-one sensor. Now I do already have one of these. So I don't think I'll need. I've already got it installed from my previous one, and I think that previous one will do just fine. So, and also I've learned a lot about how to get this thing rolling properly, and so yeah, wow, this thing is so shiny compared to my other one. My other one was all, you know, it was like all sun faded and everything. It's kind of gross. So I've got 4 AA batteries here. I'm gonna put the batteries in. I'm gonna try and keep the little fabric thing on there, on with the batteries. So that way, if I ever need to uninstall the batteries, I can do so. Okay, so this thing is now turned on. It's probably right now transmitting as well. So what I'm going to do, I'll tell you this. This little thing right here, you do not take that off before you put batteries in, or else when you move it up and down and every which way else, the rain bucket will flip, and it will say that it rained even though all you did was just tip it up and down. Hope that fan works. The fan doesn't seem to be working. I've got operating wind cups finally again. Oh, so nice. Okay. And I've still got ink all over my hands from that pen. Oh well. Okay, so I'm gonna quit this video. I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna put this up on the thing, and then I'll come back out with a setup video on what to do, and then yeah, it'll be fully operational. Okay, so here's all what I did. This stand was already here from my last weather station, and if I ever feel like it needs to be replaced again, I'll replace it. But all I did was just put 2 screws right in the holes, and then take the rain sensor out, and boom, it works now. Also, the fan on the inside is really quiet, but it works. So, yep. Okay, guys. So now we're gonna do the setup video for this weather station. So the first thing we're gonna do before you do anything else, or one of the first things, because I'm not yet going to be putting it on the wall, because I'm doing the setup. I'm gonna put the stand on so I don't have to hold it. What we do is we peel the stickers off. Now, yes, this thing is backlit, and you can add 6 batteries to the back for battery backup. But yes, it is also powered by cord. So just plugged it in. Do that. Okay, so it's now powering on. I already inserted batteries in the sensor. It's searching for the signal right now. It says it's searching for signal. Okay, so it found it. Okay, alright, whatever. Okay, there it is. Okay, so now we're at the setting part. So here's what we gotta do now. We're gonna set our clock. So the current time is 10:41 a.m. These buttons are really clicky. Set the units, we already did that. We're going to go the other way, set date. Oh my gosh. Okay. So today is August 3rd. It went down one more than it should have. It's okay. We'll just go back. It's year 2016. Go up one. Okay. Okay. Ticker speed. I like to go fast. We'll go fast. Okay, so now we have our alarms and pretty much everything else set up. Really, that's about all that there is to this. I mean, really, you've got everything right there. It's self-explanatory, really. So, yeah, I mean, there's nothing else to it for the setup. So, yeah, that's everything from the unboxing to the installation to everything else. So, and if you guys ever get this weather station, enjoy it. I'm already enjoying it. I'm loving it already. So, yeah, thanks for watching.